I just did something that I feel so good about. I'm so happy about this. And I need everyone to know about this who doesn't already. Loved Before London, which is the UK-based organization that takes stuffed animals and meticulously cleans them, mends them, and then sells them, has a US location. It's in Michigan. It's called Fluff Restoration. I just sent a box to them. As a professional organizer, so often people have stuffed toys and they're not really sure what to do with them because they can go to thrift stores, but a lot of times they'll just sit, and you don't want to throw them away. First off, because landfills, and second of all, there's a lot of memories there. I think my favorite part of it is that with every stuffy, you can tell the stuffy's story. And some of the stuffies that I was given, they didn't exactly have their own story. So my kids and I had a blast creating them. That was a frickin' good time. I really, really want everyone to go check out Loved Before London. And if you go to their website, you will see the address for Fluff Restoration, their US branch in Michigan. I'll also put it in the comments. There are things we can do like this where, yes, it costs us some time and some money, but the ripple effect of that is those toys aren't going to be in a thrift store taking up space. They're not going to be taking up space in a landfill. And then the person who buys that toy, they're not buying something from a store that's, used resources to make it, which means that the thing that's already there in the store can go to someone else, which again leaves space for that person. It's a ripple effect that keeps going out, especially if more of us do it. Especially if you can share the cost of it with your friends and neighbors. So thank you to Loved Before London and Fluff Restoration. I really hope more of us get on this. Okay, bye. Boop.